And guys, this is Thailand. Anything goes. Just make sure you don't come in, with mustard stains on your shirt, things like that. Let's talk about the reasons real quick why I like the gentlemen's clubs. Well, obviously I like the gentlemen's clubs because if I want to go somewhere and I don't necessarily want to be seen or run across a bunch of people, which on Soy 6 for sure that's going to happen. Now I may be in that mood, but we'll get to that when I get to the Soy 6 portion of the video. But if I'm looking for something discreet, if I'm looking to, let's say I bring a business guy in town that wants to meet with me about a deal that we got going on, I'm taking him to the gentlemen's club because in there we can talk, we can get our table, we can have our little intimate time together with the company of some beautiful girls joining us. Age groups at the gentlemen's clubs are gonna be, I would say, a little bit older than what Soy 6 crowd attracts. So if you're an older gentleman looking for a more discreet time, maybe the gentlemen's clubs are for you. Now, what are some of the reasons you may choose Soy 6 over the gentlemen's clubs? Let's get right into that. Well, first of all, the minute you hit that 6, the energy that you're gonna be hit with is gonna put a huge ear-to-ear, big shit-eating grin on your face as soon as you hit that soy, because you'll start seeing 1, 2, 3 clubs, the ladies out, the massage shop is there, the music's pumping, and the energy just kind of starts to take over your body. It hits you right away. It's more casual, it's more laid back, and it's definitely more lively. You're gonna see the girls dancing in the street, pulling on you. Now, some guys, if it's their first time, second time, the girls pulling on them, it's a little bit aggressive. Now, when you're a little bit more seasoned, or you watch this video and I prepped you for this, what you do, guys, when the girls are pulling on you, don't pull away. You don't have to, you can pull away from them. But what I would do is this. If I'm walking down the street and one of the girls is pulling on me, I'll stop and play with them for a minute. I'll start dancing with them for a second, and then I'll let them know we're moving to the next place. Okay, very simple, very easy to handle. And if you play it right, you can have a lot of fun with them pulling on you if you play back a little bit. You can give them a hug, you can pick them up, spin them around, stuff like that. Again, feel out the situation and, play it with each girl. Use your common sense in that instance, gentlemen. Now, the crowd that you're gonna see down on Soy 6, probably, hey, this is Pattaya. They say Pattaya is the fountain of youth. So let's not count our older gentlemen out on this one, but it is going to attract a younger crowd from our early 20s guys all the way up to our guys in the early 101, 102. So it's all age ranges on Soy 6 rocking out. As far as your bill, what I would recommend, guys, is pay each drink. Don't rack up a big ass bill and then you got a little tipsy, you rang a bell, and by the time you get out of there, they got those big printouts that they be putting on Facebook and they show, hey, thanks for coming in, and you got stuck with the big bill. It's not common that they'll scam you, but just to stay on top of things, you start feeling good. Your girl that you're sitting with brings over her girlfriend, and before you know it, those rounds can kind of add up. So to combat that, what I would do and what I do is I pay drink by drink. Don't worry if she's got to walk over to the cashier and get the change and all that good stuff. It takes minutes and could save you a headache at the end of the night. I definitely recommend that. Now, both places, the GCs and Soy 6, you can both handle business on site. So you don't necessarily need to take the girls with you back to your place. The gentlemen's clubs, you're probably going to handle there. Soy 6 has the option of both, but I would recommend that you guys handle business there to avoid a hefty bar fine. I'm liking seeing this Thailand flag here on camera. I'm just noticing that. Guys, I have these shirts for you when you come to Pattaya. These are the official Pip Manga Omega shirts. You can only get these in Pattaya because they're the jersey material. So if I was to get these printed up on Amazon, it would be a cotton shirt for you, where these are the breathable Thailand cool jersey type shirts. So definitely hit me up if you want one of these. Now, Soy 6 is going to be loud. Music is going to be playing. You're going to be spotted out there. If I'm out there, I'm getting stopped by one of you guys every other bar that I'm popping into, which is fine with me. If you guys see me out, say what's up, holler at the pimp. But if you were looking for something more discreet, you'd probably go to the GC. If you're going out to mix and mingle with everybody and see all the fellas, you might catch a YouTuber or a tourist walking by with their camera. There's mostly Asian guys that I've seen out there live streaming, and they'll come out there like daily. They must have a circuit. I don't know what these guys' channels are, but I've seen them out there all the time. So if you don't want to be caught on camera, or just be aware, maybe sit with your back to the street if you don't want to be caught on camera, but chances are somebody will be filming, or, you're running across people. It's more the open place, right? It's not as discreet as the GCs. Now, as far as the girls, this is probably our most important part of the video. Which one has the hotter ladies? Guys, gotta go hands down with this one. Drum roll, please. Gotta go hands down on this one to the 6. For sure. They have whatever their recruitment system is. They've got something in place where they are bringing in the young tenders from wherever they get them from, and they definitely keep that revolving door. They keep a fresh crop constantly. So you could go down there every month and see a new crop of young, beautiful girls that are more than enthusiastic to meet you. Where the GCs, they tend to keep the same roster for Lord knows how long, and then they lose a girl, they gain a girl. Some of them haven't been looking as good to my standard anyways, but you get the discretion. You get maybe the regular girl, something like that. But as far as the young, hot to trot, the ones that are going to be twerking and shaking their stuff and lively and full of energy, Soy 6 is going to be the way to go for the girls, guys. Prices, just about the same. Nothing dramatically different. Everything's pretty much that same price range as far as the drinks and as far as what you're going to need to tip your company. So with that being said, let me throw you guys another wild card to keep in mind. If you like, Pattaya Soy 6, the Gentlemen's Clubs, let me throw you guys another one, and that would be Jomtien Soy 7. Also a very good place to go out, grab a couple of drinks, meet a couple of ladies. Definitely not as many ladies as either of the two other options, but it's more quiet, it's more laid back. And sometimes, just sometimes, you find a little diamond in the rough over there. Two of my favorite girls that I've met in Pattaya came from Jomtien Soy 7, and you've seen both of them on the channel before. If you're a long-time viewer, you've seen both of them on the channel before. And yeah, man, it was unexpected over there. But just like anywhere we go in Pattaya, everything's unexpected and everything is a surprise here in Thailand. Usually a pleasant surprise. Some of you guys get hit with the ladyboy surprise, and some of you may like it. But what I'm alluding to is I met some beautiful girls. One of them was had the best booty in Thailand that I've seen to this day. And yeah, hard to top that particular girl. So Jomtien Soy 7, the wild card for you guys today. Now let me give you guys where will you find the Pimp in Paradise? Will you find me at the GCs, or will you find me out there on Walking Street? Will you find me on Soy 6? Well, guess what, gentlemen? This is what I'm going with. You're going to have to come to Pattaya and see and find out. Thank you guys for watching, guys.
So fly. I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm so fly. Love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. just wondering how we flipped up his style and blew like the boy from 8 Mile. Wow, asking me how I blew up, created my own luck. Every day I do what I want, cause I give 0 fucks. Got 2 big balls, that's a paradise. Living my life in paradise. Playing for life, not with the married life. I'm Superman, that be kryptonite. In Pattaya, straight pimpin'. On the beach eating barbecue shrimpin'. I'm one of a kind, you know the rarest type. I'm the pimpin' in paradise. I'm so fly, love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm so fly, love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. Only good vibes, we hate them goodbyes. Watch the sunset in the sky, we on a natural high. No lie, never wanna see you cry. We only get one life, let's make some memories together tonight. La-da-da-da, at the full moon party, getting naughty with a hottie, cause pimpin' is my hobby. Yeah, that's right, now raise your hands real high and go and say it with me, I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm so fly, love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm so fly, love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm so fly, love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm so fly, love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm so fly, love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm so fly, love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm so fly, love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm so fly, love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. I'm so fly, love my life. I'm the pimp in paradise. Oh, look at me now. Now they just wondering how we flip.
Hey guys, thank you all for checking out the channel, watching my videos, bumping my music. It really means the world to me. So thank you all for being here. Just wanted to let you know there's more links, more content, more stuff up on my website at geofreypeterson.com. Not only that, but I've got the Patreon live as well. Guys, YouTube fluctuates in what goes on over here. There's ups and downs, ebbs and flows. It's part of the game. I could really use your support over on the Patreon. Check it out. There's a few different tiers. See what works for you. At any rate, keep watching, keep coming back. But really check it out, see what works for you, see if you can support over there. I would really appreciate that. On the Patreon, we're building a little community. There's direct access to me, so you can email me, we can communicate over there, and maybe we'll have a little group think and create some custom content about what you guys want to know about and learn about and explore together. Cool, thank you guys, appreciate y'all. Peace, love.